You are having an interview now. Are you ready?
Yeah, I'm ready.
Tell me about yourself. I'm Puteri a graduate from Nursing Major in University of Indonesia. I'm from Cirebon and currently live on Sunan Gunung Jati Street. I'm very organized, professional, responsible, and have very good nursing skill. I have worked in a local hospital for 2 years as a nurse and I'm active in nursing organization.
Why did you decide on career as a nurse?
I really like to be a nurse. I have actually aspired to be a nurse since middle school. I like to give attention to the people closest to me. I'm interested in a nurse who can make people give patients the energy and positive feeling to get well.
What do you know about our institution?
Heart and Blood Vessel Hospital is famous heart hospital in Singapore. Heart and Blood Vessel Hospital implement a disciplined and flexible way of working. That makes me interested to work in this hospital. This Heart and Blood Vessel Hospital was good qualification and blood vessel hospital in accordance with the service expected by the patient.
What you feel your greatest skill as a nurse is?
I have experted in providing first aid in emergency situations. My skills are in first aid by doing a heart pump in cardiac arrest. My experience working in the Cipto Mangunkusumo Hospital in cardiology was able to make me realize.
How do you handle the stress of the job?
My way of thinking in dealing with stress by always motivating myself and not telling the work done. When I try to calm myself down by making effective use of break. This method make me calmer and focus again to work.
Do you find is the hardest part about being a nurse?
The most difficult thing that I had to deal with was when I had to do many things in my daily work schedule. When I feel I helpless, I like action to save the life of the patient. I find it more difficult to couple the work and it is my responsibility when working.
Why do you want to work here?
I am interested in the work offered by this hospital which is to become a nurse staff because this hospital was good qualification and accreditation. So I went to work in this hospital. I am sure that I can contribute a lot to your hospital and that all of my abilities and attention will be very focused on helping and caring for patients.
Are you comfortable working with other doctors and nurses?
At work, I can adjust to any situation. I feel comfortable working with doctors because my experience was help as a doctor in conducting heart investigation and ensuring leader medical record. I am the way I coordinate very well with other medical personnel.
When were you most satisfied in your work?
I feel satisfied with work done when I take action optimally, but when I can achieve my goals to the maximum every time I do nursing care. I'm really very proud of myself
Why should we hire you?
because I have enough and even more experience in this field and 2 years of experience that have proven to be effective and efficient in treating patients and staff. I'm a professional who is very organized, responsible, and has very good nursing skill. I have good English. I have attended BTLS and AED training.
Do you have any question for us?
Maybe I just want to know about working hours.
In shift here, so there are three shifts in the morning, evening, and in the night. You shift will rot every week.
I understand. Thank you very much for inviting me.
You are welcome. We will let you know the result by the end and this week. Have a nice day.